Always test prior to beginning full-scale cleaning operations. Pre-testing will determine suitability and effectiveness on each type of surface and stain designated to be cleaned. Pre-testing will also determine dwell times and number of applications required to achieve desired results. Pre-testing will show any potential or adverse reactions to adjacent surfaces. Allow test areas to dry thoroughly before evaluating final appearance and results. Pre-wet the surface with water. Do not soak before applying OneRestore. Apply OneRestore undiluted with a low-pressure sprayer, and allow a 5 to 10 minute dwell time for each application. More than one application may be needed for deeper stains. Do not rinse between applications. Proper rinsing techniques determine the final look and quality of the job. A thorough rinse job is always recommended. However, our chemistry never requires flooding the surface. OneRestore can be rinsed using cold water. Pressures that mark the surface should be avoided. When in doubt, follow the manufacturer's recommended PSI. For the substrates, do not use a 0-degree nozzle. For more consistent applications, an air-powered sprayer can be used for even coverages of OneRestore. OneRestore is shown here removing iron staining from irrigation on hardy board. This contractor tested and found that a 50-50 mix through a pump sprayer was all he needed. As you can see, the stains just disappear like magic with OneRestore. In this video, OneRestore was used undiluted to remove heavy irrigation stains from this clay brick home. A simple spray on and rinse off process made this job a breeze.